Now we're going to take a look at our mini sports cars. It's a twin pack that comes with a variety of 2 different toy cars in it. They are die cast and they have pullback action. They're recommending it for ages 3 years old on up. They're kind of neat looking, aren't they? Really stylish.
Yes, they even have seats.
Oh, there's seats in there too?
Yes.
Let me see if I can get a closer. If I can get a closer look at them. Look at the tire design. Ooh. Now, if this was something your uncle would like, you know what he'd have on these cars, don't you?
Yes.
What would he have on the cars?
Lights.
Yes, he would. He always dresses his cars up, and he sports them out with lights all over. So let's take a look. The red one also has let's see a close-up picture of it too.
Yes, it doesn't have like the
Oh, they're both like I guess they are sports cars, so they wouldn't be 4-door cars. They're all 2-door cars. Okay. Thank you.